first trades are rather impressive, well above the 19,550 mark as well. But what are the other stocks that are making headlines and are seeing all the moves? Ashish is here with a list of the same.
Well, yes, first up, let's talk about Ashiana Housing. The stock is zooming nearly 10% as we speak. The board yesterday approved buyback, which is at a premium of about 51% to yesterday's closing price. They will buy back about 1.8% equity stake, and that is the reason this counter is zooming in trade today. Apart from this, Anand Rathi Wealth is also gaining over 10% on the back of strong set of Q1 results that the company reported yesterday, where revenue and profit after tax has seen a jump of about 32% on a year-on-year basis. Assets under management, meanwhile, stood at about 43,000 crores, which is also an uptick of about 33% on a YOY basis. Let's talk about Deep Industries then. This one is also up nearly 5%. They've won an order for drilling from ONGC. The value of the order stands at about 130 odd crores. Moving on to Dreamfolks then, this counter is also gaining a nearly 5 to 6% in trade. They've added new lounges. More than 340 lounges have been added to the network after the deal that they recently signed. And this, with this, the touch points have risen by about 25% and it has crossed that 1700 mark. Let's also talk about index reject candidates then. HDFC, LTI Mindtree and JSW Steel are in focus on the back of this peg, where LTI Mindtree has now replaced HDFC in Nifty 50 and JSW Steel has replaced HDFC in Sensex. On account of this reject that has happened, all of these three counters are also in action today. Last up, Agarwal Industries. The stock is up nearly 5.5% after Ashish Kacholia has increased his stake marginally by about 0.1% and his stake stands at about 3.9%. So on account of this news that has come in, this counter is also trading in the green today.
Some mid and small caps on the move. Thanks very much, Ashesha, for highlighting those details.